Hello guys, my name is Shravan Kumar Yadav and today in this video we are going to learn advanced vocabulary. You know advanced vocabulary is very important to enhance our communication skill. So let's start. The first word is devastated. What is the meaning of the devastated? Devastated means very sad, very upset. Instead of saying very sad or upset, we will say devastated. Devastated. So I would like to give you an example and it will be very helpful for you to remind this word in your mind forever. So yesterday she was playing cricket with her friend in the garden. After playing cricket, when she returned to her home, she saw she didn't have her ring in her finger. Then she started crying loud. Her parents were explaining that, "My dear daughter, why are you crying? If your ring is lost, then let it be. We will buy another ring for you next day." But still, she kept on crying and she was very upset for 2 days. So here can we say instead of she was very upset for 2 days, we can say she was devastated for 2 days. Okay. If you like my videos, please do not forget to comment and share and subscribe the video. Thank you.